Hello, Joe. Do we have your permission to use this video?
Absolutely.
Thank you. So, what brings you in? What services have you had, and what kind of results have you found?
Well, interestingly enough, I have lymphedema in my legs. What was it caused by? It was caused by radiation that I had about a little over a year ago. I have gone to 4 different certified lymphatic practitioners, none of which could accomplish what Sharon has accomplished for me within the matter of a few months. And I am so glad I came here. Any other questions you want?
You found good results, change in your body and your tissues?
I did. I found what used to be, thick ankles, thick legs. No matter if I used the compression stockings or not, it was the work, it was the massaging, the special massaging that was done by Sharon. That was just great.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your visits. Thank you.
Welcome.